Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon count. We are doing Burlington. We are doing a Burlington shopping walkthrough. Okay, we're doing Burlington, guys. Let's go do our Christmas walkthrough and see some nice things. So these is for the people. This is for the people who cannot come out but want to see what's the Christmas stuff about. Uh-oh. Come on. First of all, I forgot. Stop. This is $5.99. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Christmas, family, friends, and tradition. $4.99. But look at this one, guys. It's alcohol helping us survive Christmas one drink at a time. Yay! Okay. So here's BB. That actually smells good, guys. And it's no sale price. Okay. And here's Hollister. $19.99. Let's see. Oh, this reminds me of my grandma. She loved white diamonds. Loved it. 19. Guess 24. Seductive. I was trying to see if I had that before. Okay. This polo. That was 9. Alright, I feel like these is daddy yes. Look at that. That's another polo. These is daddy yes, yeah. You know, they take all these colognes right here. So, Tommy Bahama, I don't know who that is. Okay. And this is called Perry Alice. Now, I like Perry Alice. And it's actually $19. Okay, this is Guess the Men's Seductive, 19. That's another great gift. Okay, classic Lamborghini. I don't know how much that one is. Oh, here it is, $9.99. Those are little gifts you could give to your little nephews and stuff like that. We are in the world, the big Burlington, where all the stuff is on sale. My goodness, one of my little ones with me, y'all. I swear. Oh my God. He ain't stopped moving. Okay, now they have plenty of toys, but this the thing, guys. They will be having, Dollar General has a 75% off toys Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, I don't know which day this video will be coming out, but you could hit that deal up instead of coming to different stores and buying stuff, okay? Because this $9.99. But if that was 75% off in Dollar General, it would be like 4 something or 3 something. So be careful what you get. Here's another one. And this one $19 and it's a doll set. Here's all the Frozen. Everything Frozen. Oh, here's the bowling set. $7.99. And don't forget you can order stuff online. So if I'm showing you, you see some things and you want to order it online, you can order and they will mail it to your house. Burlington will also, or they will do curbside pickup. So here is a Princess House Peppa Pig. Now here is the Peppa Pig dough activities. That's a good one. Look at that, guys. Look, this is my son. That's so pretty. That reminds me of my grandmother. Granny loves snow globes. So here is some Battle of Cat. This Pokemon, Sonic. So some people who can't come out because they're immunocompromised, you can order online and get to these things right here. Oh, here's Demo Dude. Ow! Oh God, I hurt my hand. $16. Look out, Dino Claus. It's $6.99. Okay. Just said try me. And that's $24. That's a little steep to me, but It's really nice. Burlington has a very big selection of toys, actually. Just like I showed you the Kohl's selection, that was just a temporary walkthrough, but that selection was cute. All the baby toys, $14. That's pretty. Remember the add and subtracts, guys? This is it. Baskets for $7.99. Look at that, guy. The top open up. Ain't that cute? And that's $7.99. Well, it's 14, so they're like it's 50% off their baskets. Let me see. This will tell me if so. Yes, it is $22. This is so cute. Look at that. That's 22 bucks. I like that. So let's see how much this tall one is. That one 12. Yep, 50% off. Let me see how much this one is. $12.99. Oh, I like all of those. $22. They got a pink, beige, and green. And this one is $34. Now don't forget, you can go online and order all of these things, okay? Okay, I have these pillows. We love them. These bamboo pillows. We love these bamboo pillows. I don't know who sell them, but every year I grab them. Now this is the big one. These are $19.99 for two. I will, like every bed in my house, I want bamboo pillows on them, but I have my son just said, oh, here go. He said, I love these pillows. We got these pillows. So those are favorites of mine. That's one of my faves for Christmas, whatever. It's one of my faves. The bamboo pillows. Okay, now we're in the bathroom linen. I actually had this set, but it had hangers to it so I can hang the curtains up, and it has some rugs to them. Now, some more stuff you have like the rug sets. You know, they always have the name brand stuff in here that's offbeat now. $6.99 for a BB set, which is really nice. That's another bath set right there. And that one $5.99 for a BB. I do get a lot of my bathroom sets from like Burlington, Marshalls, Ross, those type of places, because I like that they have specialties. Here's another one for $19. That's the Hotel Riviera. I think that's cute if you're going to give it away for a gift. Okay, you got Mr. and Mrs. Now $8.99. Those are nice. That's my mother loves birds, so I try to get her bird stuff. These are $8.99 for some Mickey Mouse sets. Nautica, of course, is $7.99. Not a bad deal for Nautica. Okay, I need another pillow throw. Now see this, guys, I would not get this because I'm not a bird fan like that. This will go cute for my mom because she loves birds. Let's see how much it is. I don't see a price. Okay, I don't know. See. Okay, so I like that. I would get that. That's a cute Christmas set. And it still don't have a price. Here's another one I would get, but it does not have, this is just the towel set, and it's at $13.99. So it's time for me. Here's a nice one, $13. It's a towel set. That's nice. It has Believe on it. That's a nice one. Oh, I like that one. Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed. 13. Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed again. Okay. That's pretty. Believing. And this one say Christmas Blessing. And look at this one. 13. And those had a horse. So that's some nice Christmas. Okay, I want to look at the luggage. The luggage is $49. I need to get me some luggage for when we do start back traveling again. We want to go to Jamaica for my daughter's birthday next year. She'll be 30. So we want to go to Jamaica. I want a luggage set. I thought I grabbed a luggage set when Ross had their big sale, but I don't know. I don't think I did. I couldn't find it unless I put it in storage and can't find it. This $29. I like that too. And what I usually do is squeeze my stuff and my son's, my kids' stuff in one bag together. And I do like roll up everything. Like they have their luggage that they gonna wear. So I'm looking for some luggage. That's way too big, Isaiah. He just got inside of it. So I know it's too big. This $49, and he's a big 10-year-old. I like that also. But see, I need something that'll smash when it go up in the overhead, because that's what we usually do, overhead. So I'm looking for luggage, guys. Okay, guys, housewares. Look at all the cups. Now, everybody who's been listening to my videos know I love all type of coffee cups. So look at that. Say cool teacher. That's cute. Internal perk. I like that for friends. Meowie Christmas. I like that. Merry and bright. Okay, they $3.99. The cat cup is $3. All these cups are $3.99. Hold it, cause that one is $4.99. But that's $3.99. That's $4.99. Cool teacher is $4.99. Hey, this $4.99. You guys gotta excuse me. I mean, I'm human. I got kids. I happen to have one with me today because he was out of school early. $5.99, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. That's pretty. Oh, they got some cute little gift sets, some cups. I love them. Okay, little gadget, because this bag got Divya. And that's $7.99. Oh, look at that. This one, $7.99. I like that too, and I like this one. And this one is $6.99. It's got a gnome. Okay, here's the home decor pillows. You all know I love pillows. Merry and bright. I like the. Oh, this is nice. Now that's nice. How much is that? That one is nice. And let's see how much it is. If you can find a tag. See, that's the problem. The tags be off. And I don't see one on that one or this one. So I guess it's scan and you will get surprised. That's a $9.99 for that one. So that one say, so let me look on the, okay, $14. This one say believe. That is beautiful. Now I like that. But my couches this year, I'm going to do green for everything. So we'll go figure. You all can help me decorate. I would get, that would be one I grab right there. And that one is $16.99. Okay. So I love the different pillows. That's beautiful. And here are the pajamas, guys, for $11.99. The family sets. These are family sets. Like we have cookie bake at my daughter's, and we dress in pajamas. Okay, and here's another set. This is Mickey. Oh, okay. So $8.99, $9.99, and that is $9.99. So, oh look, and that's the whole suit. That's the whole little long dress. Now, if anybody my age, you know we used to sleep in those. Baby, that house used to be cold. You was sleeping in one of them. Here's another pajama set, and that's Baby Shark. Woo-hoo. Look at this, guys. This caught my eye. The Eiffel Tower. Oh, that caught my eye. Okay, and it's $12.99. And my son just picked up a pink one. Is that pink? Let me see. Yes, it's rose gold. I called it pink. He corrected me. He said that's rose gold. Okay, and this is pink. He just cleared that up for me. But wouldn't these three be good together? Look, guys, wouldn't that be nice together? 1, 2, 3. That would be nice, and it'll be good, nice like this. And put those two that globe in the middle of it. Beautiful. Okay, this is pretty too. That's a mirrored Eiffel Tower. But I think that's more like a kitty room or a washroom. I like this. This is a great picture also. Chanel number 5. Look at that. Let's see how much it is. $24. Those are great. Look at the different pictures. Now y'all know the rabbits and llamas are big this year, right? So pay attention to that, because a lot of them get big. And look at this. See, they starting to have 3D pictures. Because look at that. Home is the story of who we are. $24.99. That's beautiful. And this is called a 3D abstract art. Ain't that beautiful? It's in and out, in and out. So that's those like stacked. Those are pretty to me too. And then that's, of course, that's really gorgeous. $24. But I think that needs to go like in a nice den area or a woman's room. That's pretty. The elephant is mean good luck. Wash your troubles away with some bubbles. perfect bathroom wall. Okay, nice. Okay, so those are some ideas that can go on your walls, guys. These are some rugs. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get ready to leave you right now, and we will pick back up in Burlington again because there's so much to look at. And I'm gonna say bye for now. Make sure you hit subscribe and like and share this channel because shopping is my way of relaxing. Thanks, guys. Get there.